everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be talking about Cica and Niacinamide Night Gel from Dot & Key, and it is for oily and acne prone skin. I'm going to be revealing all the ingredients present in this formulation, and I'm going to be telling you if this product is worth purchasing. For those of you all who are new to my channel, my name is Ashwini Priyadarshini Megur, also known as Avi, and I'm a PhD student in the field of biology. I make skincare related videos and also break down all the ingredients for you so that you can understand how does the skincare formulation actually works. If you like these kind of videos, please make sure that you click on that like button, also subscribe to my channel, and also click on that bell icon so that you can be updated whenever I come up with a new video. This product claims that it reduces the acne, calms the irritation, and fade the acne scars. Well, I wanted to really break down all the ingredients because usually when you make any skincare formulation for oily skin type, you need to see if all the ingredients don't come under comedogenic ingredient list, because comedogenic ingredient checker is very essential when you make any oily skin type formulation. It is very essential as it can lead to clogged pores, especially when you have acne problem. You need to make this criteria as the top criteria because none of the ingredients should be clogging the pores, because already the person is suffering from clogged pores and there is a lot of bacterial infection that is happening when you are suffering from acne. The funniest part is when I was seeing this product formulation, the company claims that this product can reduce acne in 30 days and improve the skin texture in 30 days and also improve the glow on the face, which is not really true when it comes to skincare. Skincare should be used for good 4 months to see any results. So let's see the ingredients in this formulation and see if this product is really worth purchasing, okay? So let's move to the ingredients now. The first ingredient is aloe vera leaf extract, and it is like a juice. Aloe vera is known to improve with the skin healing properties. It was used in Egyptian cultures because it was helping with the wounds and as well as like healing the cuts and scars and everything. So aloe vera does have high amount of humectants and metabolites that is essential for building up a healthy skin barrier. Very good because it can be used as an antimicrobial agent when there is different bacteria that is causing acne. Good ingredient in general. Then there is glycerin, which is a humectant, helps with the moisture holding property and helps it to penetrate into the skin for the hydration purpose. Then there is dimethicone. It is a silicone based ingredient helping all the different ingredients to be hold together and then help it to sit on the skin for longer duration of time and also to do its wonders on the skin. Then there is centella leaf extract. Centella is known as gotu kola as well. It helps with the antioxidant properties, helps with hydrating your skin and improving the overall glow. It is a Korean skincare ingredient. In Korea, everyone worships it. All the Korean beauty standards are all about skincare with Cica formulation. So Cica or else Centella asiatica, as it has a scientific name, it has a lot of good properties when you apply it on the skin, and it has shown to improve the fine lines on the skin. So it is an essential ingredient. Excellent formulation till now. Then there is green tea extract. Green tea extract usually helps with the antioxidant properties, and it also helps with the hydration and overall glow. So this formulation till now is more about the hydration, the moisturizing essential benefits. I don't really see what are the ingredients that can help with healing the acne or which can soothe that acne inflammation. Then there is tea tree oil. Tea tree oil has healing properties. It's worshipped in Australia for this reason. It has really good properties that can, reduce the inflammation on the skin, but it does have a fragrance into it. Then there was peppermint oil. Now, peppermint oil does have a powerful aroma, and it is not accepted in the skincare formulations because of its aroma with it. This formulation does have tea tree as well as peppermint, so it is going to have a strong fragrance into it. And fragrance is not good if you have acne prone skin or if you have extremely dry skin. So this product formulation just is not a good formulation at all. Then there is niacinamide. Niacinamide is in lesser percentage, an optimal percentage to work with. Niacinamide has numerous skin benefit. It helps with the reduction of the uneven skin tone. It helps with the hyperpigmentation marks. It helps with the fine lines. It helps with wrinkles. It helps with the collagen production. So it's a very good ingredient in general. But the company did a mistake by adding 2 fragrance ingredient into it, so it is a big no-no for the acne skin type. Then they added 5 different ceramides for helping to have a healthy skin barrier and hyaluronic acid to improve that ruptured skin. Very good, but there is tocopherol as well, which is a vitamin E ingredient, helps with the antioxidant properties. Then there is disodium EDTA. It's a preservative. It's synthetically produced preservative. Well, to be honest, this whole formulation, for me, a big no-no. I would not recommend it to anyone out there, especially if you're suffering from acne. Why? Because it has high amount of fragrance into it. Second, it has a comedogenic ingredient in its formulation. That is Laminaria digitata. It is a seaweed ingredient and it is not good at all. The comedogenic rating is 5 out of 5. Do you see that? That is like extremely comedogenic. It can lead to clogged pores. If you have acne, you should not use anything that has comedogenic ingredient in its formulation. So I would not support this formulation for acne skin type. I would not support it to any skin type because it has fragrance as well as comedogenic ingredient. For dry skin type, I would have still agreed because sometimes it is good for dry skin type, but here it's just not good for dry skin type either. It is just not good for any skin type because of the fragrance. It's just my perception about the skincare formulation that I don't like fragrance into my skincare. And I think everyone should step out of fragrance because you won't know now, but using it for a consistent period of time, later you will come to know that the major causative of contact dermatitis was fragrance, but you won't know now, but it will take time to appear on the skin and it might show some reaction for the people who are suffering with the acne. So please don't use it if you have acne, and I don't support this formulation. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope I covered all the points. If you have any questions, you can write down in the comment section below and I will reach to you with answers. Thank you very much for watching again. I'll see you soon in another video. Take care. Bye.